In this video, we will learn how to use implicit conversion. Let's say I have a variable of integer int I, and which is initialized to a value 100. And now I want to convert it to float. Float f is equal to I, and we print this message: console.writeLine and when I run this, it prints 100, integer is initialized to 100, and the value of integer is assigned to float, and the float stores 100. So the conversion happens implicitly because the float is bigger than a type, and if you want to convert integer to float, so there is no loss of information and no exception. Now if I want to convert float to integer, let's do this. Float f 123.4.5, the precision of float, integer I, it's initialized to float, and to print console.writeLine I. Okay, let's run this. Cannot implicitly convert type float to integer, and explicit conversion exists. It's saying the explicit conversion exists because the float is much bigger than integer. In this case, there are actually two ways to do explicit conversion. The first is typecast operator, and the second is to use convert class. First, let me see how to use typecast operator. Serve float variable, and before this variable I'm using int keyword, and now I'm gonna run this. And now since we converted to the integer, we have lost the fractional part. That's why the C compiler didn't do this conversion explicitly for us, because this is a loss of information. And that's why we use the second way, the convert class. For example, I want to do the same thing using the convert class. How can I do this? Let's get rid of this integer keyword, and I'm using convert keyword dot to int. And the different version of toInt methods depending on the size of the integer data type. I am using here toInt32, and I'm gonna run this. And the output is the same, except we're using convert class here. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.